Hey everyone, welcome on today's video. In today's video, we're going to try a dates cake proposed by Stephanie on a French website called 750grammes.com. I'm not super used to cakes involving dates, so I just don't know if I will like it or not. But I do have some dates, so I really need to use them. So we're going to see how it will be and how it will taste, and hopefully it's gonna be good. This is the first time I'm trying this, so let's go. As usual, you can find the link in the description, but just a quick list of what you'll need for this recipe. So for this recipe, you'll need water, dates, flour, egg, sugar, butter, honey, and baking powder. We all love when it's simple, so this one doesn't look so hard to do, so I love it. Hopefully it will be as easy as it looks. And yeah, time to cook. Add the eggs, then add the flour and the baking powder. Add some honey and the dates mixture. I decided to do small portions of it, but you're supposed to make it as a big cake. That's just a personal choice of mine, so just to put this information here. Look at this! Ooh! Time to taste it. Look how cute this is. Okay, I'm tasting it. Look, this tastes really good. I like it. I like this texture of it. The link is in the description if you want to check this website. So that's a yes for me. So I'm gonna finish this cutie, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Don't worry, you're going to have a proper outro. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching, sharing, commenting, liking, everything. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!